In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download PDF file from Canva. How to download any file to PDF format. So that's it. So I open a design on Canva. You can design any. You can open any design. Now click on share icon. Then again click on download. Then you can see here are all the format: JPG, PNG, PDF standard, PDF print, MP4, etc., etc. So I choose PDF standard. Then click on download. So if you want to include password protections, you can write here any password like 1234567 8. This is my password. Okay. Canva recommend me this is easy password, please change it. So I don't need password, so this is it. So now click on download as a PDF file. So wait only 1 or 2 seconds. Wow, it's already downloaded. So if I open, then you can see it's already working as well as a PDF. So this is a method how you can download PDF file from Canva. If you have found this video helpful, for you make sure like and subscribe the channel. So you can take care. Goodbye.